G'day, here's a deal of Nobby material from Lightning Ridge. As you can see, there's some nice bright colours in it. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. The rule down there is in millimetres. Give you an idea of the sizes of the pieces. Just start with the top piece there. Nice dark blue bar there. Looks like it runs right through the stone. Not sure how far that bit goes. Looks like the colour might go through there, but there's no guarantee. There's still a bit of clay on there. Another dark blue, but underneath there's a nice bright green. Whether how far that goes or not, don't know. Little piece still on its clay base. Only a thin seam, but it might be a very nice piece, that piece. Bit wavy. Some of these pieces just have to grind down to see if there's a bar. A couple of little embedded Nobby sample pieces. Easy a bit, hopefully that'll cut a nice stone. Couple of bits but not much in it. It's funny how the stones end up with a hollow in them sometimes, like that piece. Makes you wonder how it's formed. Little bar there perhaps. I'll call that quits. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.